Here we are, working on Dad's El Camino. We got Roger here, engine tech. Greg Roy. What are we looking at here, Roger?
The idle screws, one there and one on the other side.
We're going to be adjusting the idle screws.
First of all, timing.
We're going to be setting the timing and playing around with this carb to get it dialed in. Let's get started. Let it warm up. Most important part of the video. Oh, look at, like, man, I might have to take some pictures here.
Yeah,
You're looking like a great model here. So you pull the vacuum advance and then you have the timing light.
Want to see that, Jake? What do you think?
It looks like it's 5 or 6.
Yeah, that's very close.
Let me move. I'll turn it. Tell me when it's going.
There it is.
Oh, there it is.
Yep, that's about 4.
Yeah.
So what? I'm going back on.
Right here we're tightening our idle screw all the way down and doing 3 half turns out. The El Camino really bogs down when you step on it, so we're hoping this is going to help, and then we're going to set our valves and come back and make sure we've got these in the right spot. Oh yeah, that's already a little bit better. Ooh, a little bit of a backfire there though.
I'm going to move it back to about 5 to 6 on the timing.
So we're going back a little bit on the timing.
It's about 5 or 6 right there.
There we go, no more backfire.
Way better. Oh man, that's the move right there. Oh, you're.
Oh, Roy Garage.
Oh yeah, there you go.
Yes, sir.
We did have some blow-by or something coming out of our breather over here.
I'm not saying,
I trust your judgment.
So we're going to pull these valve covers off, put on these beautiful looking valve covers that have a little slot in here so we can run the engine and get these valves set right. This is how I like working on engines and stuff here, Roger, you know, sitting back here with a beer and the video
I know,
camera.
exactly, buddy.
Got some hydraulic lifters on this engine, and we just want to kind of dial them in a little better because we saw some blow-by. So we're going to reset them. Notice what Roger's doing is backing off the rocker until he hears a tick. Then he's retightening it until that tick goes away. And then he's going to do 3/4 turns to get that rocker set right where we want it.
This is going to get a little long, but we want to show you guys the full process and we don't want to cut any of that out. Feel free to skip ahead once you kind of get the gist of it. There, now you can hear the ticking, so he's going to start tightening until he stops hearing the clicking, and then it's 3/4 turns. On to the next one. Actually, I am going to speed it up for you, but you can still hear the ticking.
they're nice.
Oh,
Far from that. I'm just
hillbilly,
shade tree.
hillbilly tech here.
That's it.
All right, we're gonna get that valve cover off and put the original back on, adjust the timing, make sure that's looking good, and then adjust the carburetor.
Little guy again.
We got a little guy.
Oh my goodness.
Look at this little guy.
Oh, what a cutie. Oh my goodness.
Future little wrencher right
Oh,
there.
my goodness.
Sending out, isn't it, bud?
Hey there. All right, Gregory's got that valve cover back on there. Let's do some adjusting, huh?
Okay, you're gonna fire up.
Fire it up, Pops.
So now that we've set our valves, we do want to go back and make sure that our idle screws are set good with our valve set now. So again, tightening them down and doing 3 half turns out, listening to the engine, listening to how it responds, but typically 3 half turns out sets you pretty good.
All right.
Our engine specialist thanks for his
Yeah.
today, Roger. Roger.
Woo! All right, guys, I got the El Camino dialed in. So before this, the El Camino when you slammed on the gas and you just gave it, it just didn't want to do anything. It was just kind of slow to it. Now that we've adjusted the rockers and the carburetor and got it dialed in, she's very responsive and sounds amazing. What's going on out here, buddy?
Did it scare you? No.
Gives you the scowl like, you can't scare me. What are you
Oh,
talking
yeah.
about?
Yeah. Yeah.
If you enjoyed this video of the Yell Camino and want to see everything that we've done to it, you can check that playlist in the upper left. Otherwise, you can click last week's video, and if you're watching this a little bit later, you can check out next week's video in the lower right. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you like, subscribe. The Roy Garage. See you next time.